Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another random reaction. Yes, I said it. Random reaction. So I started a thing late last year where I do random reactions. So what I would do is click on one thing that I reacted to before, go down the comment section and see what people tell themselves to react to. So it's a random reaction. So let's jump in that one, yeah. So we're on 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Dark Side. So obviously a Trinidad artist. So we are gonna go in the comment section and see what did people say to react to. This dropped 2 months ago. All right. So let's see. I just wanna pick a random one. Go back up, so. All right. See one, yeah. So a person say 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, we done ready, as which I think I reacted to that already. And there is Wacko, born winner. Alright, let's do Wacko, because I don't know who Wacko is. So big up all the Trinidad people, them. Big up all the Trinidad people, them, you know, dog. Alright, Wacko, born winner. That is it. So I think this is this one. Oh, that's Wacko done. Alright, cool. Alright. Alright, so this is his page, but I don't want his page. Can I find this? Can I find the song here? Teacher. Alright, so now we skip it. We are go and we are gonna jump tonight and here. Wacko that, born winner, let's go!
Psycho.
Trinidad, I suppose.
Wacko that. You don't know we skip it. Don't. Long time them woulda fight me down, so why them like me now? Me always pray for the top, not really like the ground. We got the.
Hold on, that's something that in the background a while ago distract me from him say.
Don't. Long time them woulda fight me down, so why them like me now? Me always pray for the top, not really like the ground.
So it must be a long time them a fight him down. So why them like him now? Is it because he's getting the glory? Is it because he's winning now? Why only like me now? Like me don't need that from me now. Me don't need that.
Time them woulda fight me down, so why them like me now? Me always pray for the top, not really like the ground. We got the keys for the lock, so yeah, we own it down. And all the G's will lock up my bag, just hold it down.
The man say, yo, we have the keys for the lock, so guess what? We own the town. We own the town. We don't need no bomb clock, okay, from nobody. Our town. You have to pay for living out, you're deaf.
We got the keys for the lock, so yeah, we own it down. And all the G's will lock up my bag, just hold it down. Me I try do right all when me not left it. Me hear all of them a pre coming a talkative. But
me hear all of them a pre, but guess what? I'm not talkative, so I gotta keep my cards close to my chest. Him shout out all of the G's them way in a penitentiary, way in a prison, we lock up. Him shout out say freedom is a must, so no go and hold it.
Me I try do right all when me not left it. Me hear all of them a pre coming a talkative. Bad bitch poolside, you know how bosses live. Spliff rap, champagne pop, molly in her head, JDG's done up. 6 outside, I got we guns up.
Oh, it's a 6 artist this as well from Chini. Aye, okay.
Molly in her head, JDG's done up. 6 outside, I got we guns up. West Bank links, so you know the funds up. Tired and get the words, so we must function. Me always wanted was to be a winner. From small, me only power with real sinners. The dark.
From a small, from a little bit, from a juvenile. From a hop off of the porch. We are power with beer killer. So guess what? Automatically we are killer. Naturally.
Function. Me always wanted was to be a winner. From small, me only power with real sinners. The dog them bust shots from about real dinner. Them say me dark badness when me believe in her. Run your hair right for
them say me dark badness when me believe in her.
Bust shots from about real dinner. Them say me dark badness when me believe in her. Run your hair right for shot, just so leave in her. PLR clip longer than my sleeve in her. Shut.
PLR clip longer than my sleeve. Know that. Know that.
When you hear right for shot, just so leaving her. PLR clip longer than my sleeve in her. Shot boss lick off your gal weaving her. You shoulda know we evil and we mean in her. Missed it from them boy that's better no say we in a mess. Rifle shot to the face. 6 dancing, show grave. Then fuck wrong with the air. Cup off, send them shit to space. Aliens get a grave. 7's not gonna live again.
Oh, it's a 7's this. In just throw a shot at 7. So obviously 6 hour against 7. Come on, you know that already. So okay.
Aliens get a grave, 7's not gonna live again. We ain't not see no more 7. Me know them not evil, so we show heaven. We
The man say, "We're not see no more 7s." But guess what? Me know say them not evil. Guess what? Show heaven. So heaven them a see. So even when them dead, them not go hell. Cause them not bad enough to go hell. Heaven them a go. Them a good youth. That's what the G say, not me.
We ain't not see no more 7. Me know them not evil, so we show heaven. We fully long time like in a no rebel. And man darken in my brain like a real devil. They make me link.
R.I.P. to Rebel.
Long time like in a no rebel. And man darken in my brain like a real devil. They make me link fats with the K right now. Matter press 16, body lay right down. Shot knock when you door, 4, 5 4. Catch them when them lime and I drink. Me always wanted was to be a win.
Catch them off gear. Catch them when them enjoy themselves. When them a braff. When them a lime. Catch them when them least expect it. Knock on them door. 3, 5, 4, 4.
When you door, 4, 5 4. Catch them when them lime and I drink. Me always wanted was to be a winner. From small me only power with real sinners. The dog them bust shut from about real dinner. Them see my dark badness when me believe in her. Run your hair right for shut this so leaving her. PLR clip longer than my sleeve in her. Shot boss lick off a gal weaving her. You shoulda know we evil and we mean in her.
Mean.
Listen from them boy that's better no say we in the mess. Rifle shot to the face, 6 dancing, show grave. The fuck wrong with the air? Cup off, send them straight to space. Aliens get a grave, 7's not gonna live again. They make my link fast with the K right now. Press 16, body lay right now. Shot knock on your door, 4, 5 4. 6 dancing. Always wanted us to be a winner. From small me only power with real sinners. The dog them about shots from about real sinners. Seven's not gonna live again.
Yo, that one a grimy. Let me go in the comment section because I'm suspecting something. Thought so. Him dead. See there? Comment section say, R.I.P. Wacko, we will miss you. Rest up, legend. So yeah. But the comment just say, "Oh, legend never dies." So I thought so. So the war in Trini, it drastic. It bad. Like artists literally a drop. I know artist friend alone a drop. Artists a drop toes. You see me? So artists them bag. Chill, brother. The 6 and the 7s and the 8 and the 9s. We need to chill, brother. And I say shake on and be friends, you know. Not just avoid each other, brother, cause there's no winner, bro. There's no winner. You see me? Wacko sang bad still. Wacko sang bad it's unfortunate to lose such a great promising talent so early in his career as him start out. So that song I dropped 8 months ago. Obviously he's not here to see it get to 5.6 million. So you don't know. Young man, I don't need to go easy, man. But yeah, that was my random reactions anyway. Coughing like hell. Sorry. That was my random reactions. So drop some comments on that one, yeah, of who to react to next, and I will go through it and do a next random reaction. Alright? Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.